Welcome to FxEen Expert Trading Platform. Why FxEen is the best Forex robot? FxEen is the best Forex robot because this is not a martingale Forex robot, and FxEen Forex robot use the same lot size for every order. Okay, you can see that there all the running trade for USDJPY. We set it 0.05, so every time USDJPY currency lot size is 0.05, and also in the GBPUSD we set 0.03, and the EURUSD we set 0.05, so all the lot size is 0.05. Also, if you go to the history, there you can see that in EURUSD few trade make losses, but all the lot size is same. Okay, so even if some order close order because of losses, it's don't change the lot size. At the beginning we said 0.03 as a starting lot size, and every time it's follow the same lot size. Okay, so this is not a martingale robot. Every time it's use the same lot size, so this is very secure for your trading, and this is very good Forex robot because it's not change the lot size. And also we set a very powerful money management system in this Forex robot. You will never feel any risks in the trading. Okay, and also we set a news time filter, so this EA does not trade in a big news time. So any big movement happens in this market, this EA can close all trade. FxEen is a unique trading system that helps your trading grow. Okay, so sometimes you can see that you set the Forex robot, but this will don't open any trade. Okay, so it's maybe this is a news time, or maybe this is a market condition is not good. If this Forex robot see that market condition is not good, then this EA don't open any trade. Okay, so it's have some certain time, only at that time this EA start trading. If Forex market face a very big news movement, or any big news come after a few time, so at that time this Forex robot don't open any trade. So after you set this Forex robot in this chart, you can see that it will take a long time for trading, because before open the trade, it's calculate the market condition, and it's also calculate the market watch. So then if this EA feel that now this is a good time for open a trade, then it's only open a new trade. And risk-free trading strategies. Okay, so FxEen Forex robot use a risk-free Forex trading strategies. So there you can see FxEen is the best trading solution. It will help you to go beyond your trading dreams. You will get thousands of Forex robot on Google and YouTube, but FxEen is not like any other Forex robot. There are major difference. Okay, so in other Forex robot, most of Forex robot use the same strategies for all currency pair, even in gold or Bitcoin. This is a very dangerous system, because we know that currency and commodity and cryptocurrency are not the same things. So how the same strategies will work for all of them? Okay, so you know that if this is the currency pair, so for currency and the commodity like gold, so this is a gold pair, and this is a currency pair. Okay, so this is a currency trading, this is a commodity trading. Okay, so the currency trading strategies and the gold trading strategies or Bitcoin trading strategies is not same. Even USDJPY trading strategies and GBPUSD trading strategies, the market condition is not the same. Okay, so if a forex robot use the same strategies for the commodities and the cryptocurrencies and the currency pair, so how the same strategy will work for all of them? So it will never work. That's why most of the forex robot lose money. In the FxEen Forex Robot, FxEen Forex Robot is not use the same strategies for all currency pair, even in gold or Bitcoin. It use different strategies and files for different currency pair. Currency and commodity and cryptocurrency is not the same things. So we use different file and strategies. So there you can see that we have a few file in expert advisor. We have 5 file. One file is for the AUDUSD, another file for the EURUSD, and the GBPUSD, USDJPY, and one separate file for the gold. So in there we use different strategies for every forex robot, and we also separate the forex robot file. So the gold trading strategies and the EURUSD trading strategies is not the same. Okay, so there you can see that this is gold. So there you can see if we set these things, there you will get some different things. So the gold trading strategies and the EURUSD trading strategies is not same in FxEen Expert Trading Platform. So FxEen will deliver the most advanced strategies for your trading. So if you want to become a profitable trader, you must need the FxEen Trading Platform. Okay, so this is a major difference between other forex robot with the FxEen Expert Trading Platform. So there you every month you can make 25% to 30% profit upon your deposit without any risks. Minimum you need to invest $3,000 in a raw spread through ECN broker to use this forex robot. And there are more benefit with this robot. FxEen Forex Robot follow proper money management, and FxEen Forex Robot stop trade at big news time. We set forex news time filter, so this EA does not trade in big news time. Okay, so FxEen Forex Robot use take profit and stop loss, and FxEen EA use emergency system. If any big movement happens in the market, this EA will close all trade automatically. Okay, so say for example, if some big movement happens in the market, this EA close all the order with these losses. Okay, so because maybe market can go a big maybe because of news, market can make a big movement. So if this EA don't close all the order, maybe you can lose your all the money. So if market moves too fast or market make a big movement, then this EA close all the order. And also you can use any forex broker with this robot. It works automatically. You can check our last 5 years trading history there. If you go to step 1 forex robot result, there you can see lots of video. If you watch those videos, there you will see the trading result of our forex robot. And this EA can adjust a lot size upon your account balance, so small or big balance it can handle properly. Okay, so there you can see the video, and if you want you can watch the video, and there you can see the result of our forex robot from 2016 to 2021. Okay, so this is the world's best forex robot. We start using forex robot from 2016 and now this is 2021. So in this 5 year we use many forex robot. So in this platform we collect all the best forex robot together, and then we set all the best forex robot in this platform, and if you use this expert trading platform, it will change your trading style and you will become a profitable forex trader. Okay, if you want to know more you can ask me, and also you can send me email to help@fxeen.com, and also you can visit fxeen.com. Bye, have a good day.